Hi, my name is Connie Kwan, and I'm hosting a workshop on habit change through storytelling. Habit change is hard because you're using willpower to create this new habit. That doesn't work. You run out of willpower after a while, usually by about lunchtime. What we do in this workshop is actually take your habit and we anchor it on something that is fundamental to you, that is unchangeable, that is baked into you and your bones. That thing is your values. So we take your habit, we find out what values you have, and we create this habit value pair so that you have a habit that sits on the strong foundation of your values and therefore make it much easier for you to stick to your new habit. For example, I grew up learning the value of frugality because my father grew up poor and I learned the value of frugality. And I want to eat less dessert. So I marry the eat less dessert habit with my frugality and I only eat expensive desserts. By requiring that, I made it super effortless for me to eat less dessert because every time I choose a dessert, it's going to bump up against my value to be frugal, and therefore I will naturally eat less dessert. For you, it will be a different habit value pair. So what we're going to do in this workshop is discover what that habit value pair is for you so that you can make new habits that stick without effort. Join us for this workshop and I hope to see you there.